Hi there. Welcome to the first tutorial video in your Luxe Café journey. Here at Ninja, our mission is to give you the entire world of coffee without limits. With the Ninja Luxe Café series, we've taken the guesswork and trial and error that come with traditional espresso machines out of the equation. Let's get started, and I can show you exactly how. You'll first need to open your box and get your machine out. Along with your machine, you'll find your starter kit, which has all the tools needed to get your machine set up and running. It can feel like a lot, but trust me, once we walk through all the steps, your jitters will melt away. We're going to start with the water hardness test, which comes included in the starter kit. To test your water, start with filling up a cup from your tap. Take a test strip and dunk it in all the way. Wait about 10 seconds until you take it out. After 60 seconds, you'll count how many squares are fully purple on the strip. When turning it on for the first time, the screen will show HD05. Use the center dial to change it to the number of purple squares you had. Then press the dial to lock it in. Simple. Next, we're going to run a short water cycle to flush out the system and get it ready to brew. All you have to do is fill up your water reservoir to the max fill line. Then put the reservoir back in place. Included in your starter kit is this tool, the portafilter, which holds our basket in place during the brewing process and helps deliver flawless outputs. The portafilter comes with a double basket already installed. Place the portafilter in the group head by aligning the orange dot on the portafilter with the orange dot on the group head. Then pull it to the right until the orange dot aligns with the lock arrow. You will feel some resistance. That's normal as we create a tight seal. The logo on the end of the portafilter should end up facing you. Then ensure Classic and 12-ounce are selected. Place a cup underneath and press the center dial. Once the machine beeps, you can dispose of the water in your sink. I know you can't wait to start making delicious drinks like this, but before you can do that, you need to calibrate your machine. With traditional espresso machines, there's a lot of trial and error required to dial in your grind. But the Ninja Luxe Café works to take this guesswork out of your hands. We're going to have to brew 2 shots of espresso so the machine can get to know your beans and dial in the perfect shot. To start making your first shot, open the bean hopper and pour in your beans. It's UV protected so your beans stay fresh for as long as possible. Then put the lid back on. Now take your portafilter, making sure the double basket is inserted, and slide it into the grinding cradle. Based on the basket you place in your portafilter, the machine will detect and give you the drink options that are compatible. We have the double basket inserted, so our espresso options are lit up on the left side. If we wanted to make drip coffee or cold brew, we'd insert the Luxe basket and select Classic, Rich, Over Ice, or Cold Brew on the coffee side. You can also make quad espresso and cold press shots using the Luxe basket. Let's choose espresso, which will give us a double shot since we have the double basket inserted. Once we turn to espresso, Barista Assist technology is going to give us a grind size recommendation. Make sure that your grind size matches the current recommended size. Once you're done grinding, it's time to tamp your grounds. If you were brewing drip coffee or cold brew, you only need to tamp if you're brewing 16 ounces or more. When the machine is done grinding, the screen will display a message telling you to tamp. We're going to use the integrated tamper to make the process mess-free and easy. Push the lever on the side of the machine all the way down until you can't push down anymore. You should end up here. Push through any resistance you feel. Once fully pressed, release the lever slightly and push with the same amount of force for a second tamp. You will now have a perfectly compact puck. Now place the portafilter back into the group head with the same twist and lock move from before. Make sure the 2 orange dots line up. Here's a pro tip: adjust the drink tray based on your cup size to reduce splatter. Press the center dial to start your first espresso brew. Now remember, this shot is just the prelims. This is a calibration shot that will teach your machine how to get better. Check this out. Based on the quality of that shot, the machine is going to tell you to adjust the grind size. If you had a traditional machine, you'd have to do this manually and just guess. No thanks. Now dump out your old grounds by tapping the surface of the basket on the center bar of your Ninja knockbox or over a trash bin. Repeat the grinding and brewing process with the adjusted grind size. And now let's take a gander at shot number 2. That's already looking so much better. After this shot, your machine is ready. This 2-shot run-through is only something you do when you switch out beans. Keep in mind, Barista Assist technology monitors every brew, and the recommendation will change over time. Be sure to adjust your grind size to always match the recommendation. But now that we're calibrated, this machine is dialed into my beans, and this gorgeous 3rd shot I'm making right here is the one that's going to turn into a delicious cappuccino. Now we can froth. Grab your milk, plant-based or dairy, and your XL milk jug. The insulated steam wand on the Pro Series unlocks a 5th frothing option, extra thick froth. We'll choose this setting and make a dry cappuccino, full of thick, luscious microfoam. Take your XL milk jug and fill it to the cappuccino line, which is about 5 ounces of milk. Pull the wand up and place the milk jug with the wand inside onto the jug platform. Press the milk type button to tell the machine what kind of milk you have. Then pick the froth type. We're going to turn the dial to the 4th option, which is extra thick froth. Press the start button and let the machine do its thing. It's steaming, it's whisking, it's giving you decadent cafe-quality microfoam totally hands-free. When it's done, pull out the XL jug, which will move the wand out with it. Be careful not to touch the steam wand directly. Even though the steam wand is insulated, it's going to be hot. Using a damp cloth, wipe down on the wand to clear off any milk residue. Then push it back by touching the rubber cover. The wand will then purge to get any excess milk gunk out. Now pour, admire, and look at that froth. A cappuccino made in the comfort of your own home. Take a sip and enjoy. If you're looking for more information on your Ninja Luxe Café, visit our support site at ninjakitchen.com to get access to other how-to videos, recipe inspirations, and even accessories. We can't wait to see what you brew next. Bye!